The Trump administration has deported hundreds of individuals under the Alien Enemies Act, a wartime law allowing for the expedited removal of non-citizens deemed a threat. This move came despite a federal judge's temporary restraining order blocking its use. The administration targeted members of the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua, with officials claiming these individuals posed a significant public safety risk. The judge's order, issued Saturday evening, required deportation flights already in the air to return to the U.S., but many had already landed before the ruling took effect. Secretary of State Marco Rubio confirmed that over 250 members of Tren de Aragua were deported and thanked El Salvador's President Nayib Bukele for agreeing to detain them. El Salvador also accepted 2 high-ranking MS-13 leaders and 21 other Salvadoran nationals to face justice in their home country. As part of the deal, the U.S. will pay El Salvador $6 million to support its penitentiary system, which currently costs $200 million annually. The deportees were transferred to El Salvador's massive high-security C-Cote prison, known for its harsh conditions and strict confinement measures. Bukele posted a video of the arrivals, showing men in handcuffs being led off buses and having their heads shaved. The move has sparked intense political debate. Republicans argue that the administration is acting within its legal authority and prioritizing national security. Senator Mike Rounds stated that most Americans support using any legal means to remove violent criminals, regardless of how old the law is. He insisted that the executive branch is expected to follow the law and ensure public safety. Democrats, however, warn that the administration's approach could have broader consequences. House Minority Leader Hakeem Jeffries stated that while the Democratic Party opposes illegal immigration and supports deporting violent felons, it is concerned about potential due process violations. He warned that the administration's aggressive deportation strategy could impact lawful immigrants and break up families, calling for comprehensive immigration reform. Human rights organizations have also criticized the move, pointing to the conditions inside Salvadoran prisons. C-Cote, the largest prison in the Americas, is notorious for its overcrowding, lack of basic amenities, and extreme confinement policies. Inmates are locked in cells for 23.5 hours a day, with only a 30-minute break for exercise or Bible readings. Critics argue that Bukele's harsh crime crackdown has led to mass incarcerations, with over 80,000 people arrested, more than 1% of El Salvador's population. While Bukele admits that some innocent people have been detained, he maintains that his policies have transformed El Salvador from one of the world's most dangerous countries into one of the safest. As the legal battle over the Alien Enemies Act unfolds, the controversy highlights broader tensions over immigration policy, national security, and the limits of executive authority. The court's temporary restraining order remains in effect for 14 days, or until further legal action is taken, leaving the future of these deportations uncertain.